Let's have a nice big tree here. Nice big tree hanging over. Maybe it comes in front of that. Right the way down. Look at that. This is all background stuff, so you got to wait for the colours to go on. Right, and here let's do something over this side. We'll have some trees here. Be a shame to get rid of some of that, so let's go here. Nice big tree. And I'm using up all this paint on the board. This is where we're going to have a few trees. Just dabbing into a bit of green as well then. It's such a quick and easy method of painting, it really is. Yeah, oh, I've got to do my learn my planes. Do a hotel in the background, travel lodge. Yeah, we can do that. Right, let's have this coming over there. Let's just fill up all this here. We can make some kind of, keeping that mist in the back. This is just laying out the land where things are gonna be. Yeah, that'll be okay. Let's add some highlights on, shall we? So down here, I might just carry on and darken that up. We can have some little bushes and stuff going around this lake. I need a bit more paint. Which was black and crimson, I think I had, yeah. Just use that off the edge of the board. How's that? I'm still in focus, isn't it? Yeah, I just knocked the board, so. Let's just fill up this area, just for now. I'm gonna put all different kinds of stuff down here. I'm just laying out the actual painting now, so. Keep some of them and put some highlights on these bushes. But we know I know where I'm at now. I know where this is going. We have a nice lake here. Put some nice trees on there. Right, let's put some branches in. Find a little fan brush. This one. So I need some white. I'm going to do my little trick of white and brown on one side, and then, but yeah, white on one side of the brush and a bit of burnt umber on the other side, and hopefully make some nice little tree trunks. So yeah, I've got white on this side, white on that side, and we put some brown on that side. There you go, look, brown, white. I'll put some tree trunks in. And you won't see a lot of these, so keeping that the same. It's nice to have some white ones in there as well. And you won't see a lot of these things here. So you've got sort of instant highlights here. You won't really see a lot of this one either, maybe some branches coming off at the top there. Let's just do one there. That you won't see a lot of this. This is just laying out, but this will get blended in a lot. So, right, let's add. You'll see what I mean now. Right, so I'm going to get some more yellow, and we're going to get some ochre, some yellow, whatever's on this board, making up the colours as I'm on there. Hopefully with a bit of brighter yellow. Let's just have a look over here. We can just add some bits in there like that. Look at that one, that's a sparkler. Leaving them dark bits behind just helps, you know. Maybe we can have a little tree in the front there. We can have a little tree there. Well, let's make this one over here. Let's go with this. These ones are sort of hanging down. See what I mean? You don't really see a lot of the actual tree trunk. It's just like hints coming through. Yeah, I'll sell the paintings. I'll try to anyway. As I'm here, I'm just going to drop some of this colour of the tree down in this water here. That really is a vibrant water, isn't it? Let's just put some hints of yellow as well on this tree, on these bushes. Yeah, this one I'm sort of making up as I go along, really. Little highlights. Let's go with a bit of ochre over here. A little bit of ochre in there. Just dabbing some paint on. Let's give it a few scratches and twigs and stuff. You could just build up the painting as you go. So relaxing though, it really is. Let's put some twigs, some sticks over there. That just needs a little bit more up there. There we go. Insta trees. Right, I think we should have a nice green. Hopefully like a nice little green tree here. Little green bush, maybe put some highlights on it in a minute. Hopefully you can see that. So it's quite watery. That's the idea anyway. This is how Bob Ross does it. So I'm trying. And I'll just do a little C. Let's go right down there. I'll come and have a look at your comments in a minute, guys. And an M. Someone said, I was signing the other night and someone said, is my name Cobb Moss? Cobb Moss. Seeing an M, so it's Carl. And then the M. I'm just taking my time with this. At least I've got the bottom of the easel to rest on. There we go.